One of the biggest blockers I see with Copilot rollouts is data oversharing. It's a hidden risk that keeps a lot of companies from going all in. In this video, I'll show you what that actually looks like, why it's a real security concern. I've been in IT for over 15 years, hold multiple Microsoft certifications, and I've helped several organizations roll out Copilot the right way so they stay ahead without exposing sensitive data. I want to make this video short and sweet just so everyone understands the problem that we're dealing with. So I created an Excel document with the salaries listed of a few users, and I created a link to share out that document. And the default setting was set to people in my organization. So we're going to get out of this. I'm going to show you the document and the user that we're logged in as. And we're basically simulating a manager creating a salary document that they may be sharing with other managers or executives without locking down the permissions fully of that document. So if we move over to another user, so this is my other user called Nick Romanek in my tenant, and I have the Copilot license here. So the question is, if I ask for the salary sheet, will it show up? And technically I do have access to this document. Let's see if it will find the document. Can you help me find my salary sheet? And it's an Excel document. So it's searching and it found it. So as you can see, when I asked to find that document, it hit the Microsoft graph, and technically it did have access to that document, so it was able to pull down that information. And there are a lot of different things that you can do to fix this. The quickest thing you can do in this particular scenario is we're just going to go to Manage Access. We're going to go to Links. We're going to delete the links. So technically no one has access to this anymore. We're going to share out the document again, change the settings, and we're going to say people you choose. Ideally, you want to get as granular as possible when you specify who has access to what document. So we're going to click apply, and we're just going to send it to another person I have in this tenant, and we're just going to say test and click send. So technically now only Romatech AI and Catherine should have access to this document. So we're going to move back over to Copilot and let's test it again to see if it can still find that document. Since the link that it was using before does not exist, it shouldn't be able to find it. Let's see if that works. And there you go. There are a lot of different things that you can do to lock down the permissions related to data governance and auditing and generating reports. Thanks for watching.